In here, we got these twin Harbor Breeze Classic styles. This one has a severely bent blade, as you can see. Here's the kitchen. Up here, it's not really a kitchen, more so a kitchenette. And then you can see the thing. See lots of water. Really something, the pipe somehow broke. It like froze up or something. I don't know what happened, how it broke exactly. And then this right here is a little storage room. There's a Harbor Breeze Calera hanging in here. Except this doesn't have a light kit on it, unlike most Caleras, which do have light kits. Sort of like mine. And in here, it's another bathroom. And in here, I have to